Welcome to DIY Creations. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of crafting stepping stones. Whether you want to add a personal touch to your garden path or create a unique piece of outdoor decor, making your own stepping stone is a fun and rewarding project. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Gather your materials. To make stepping stones, you will need concrete mix, water, a mixing container, mold such as cake pan or plastic container, release agent like cooking spray or petroleum jelly, decorative elements such as glass jars or mosaic tiles, and a trowel or mixing stick. Step 2. Mix the concrete. Follow the instruction on the concrete mix packaging to prepare the concrete mixture. Mix it thoroughly in your container until it reaches a smooth, pourable consistency. Step 3. Prepare the molds. Coat the inside of your molds with a release agent to prevent the concrete from sticking. This will make it easier to remove the stepping stone once they are set. You can use cooking spray, petroleum jelly, or a commercial mold release agent for this step. Step 4. Pour the concrete. Carefully pour the mixed concrete into the prepared molds, filling them to the desired thickness. Use a trowel or mixing sticks to smooth out the surface and eliminate any air bubbles. Step 5. Add decorative elements. This is where you can get creative. Press decorative elements like glass gems, mosaic tiles, or handprints into the surface of the wet concrete to add personalized touches to your stepping stones. Arrange the decorations however you want, but be sure to press them down firmly so they adhere to the concrete. Step 6. Let them cure. Allow the stepping stone to cure and harden according to the instruction on the concrete mix packaging. This typically takes a few days depending on the type of concrete used and the weather conditions. Step 7. Remove from molds. Once the concrete has fully cured, carefully remove the stepping stones from the molds. If you coat the molds with a release agent, they should pop out easily. If not, gently tape the molds or use a knife to loosen the edges. Step 8. Place in your garden. Now that your stepping stones are ready, it's time to place them in your garden or along your pathway. Arrange them however you like and enjoy the personalized touch they add to your outdoor space.